Hi there and welcome back to Mend Your Home. Today we're replacing this radiator with something more modern in this new build. So first thing you do is get rid of the old one by using these plumb thumbs. Link in the description if you'd like to buy these plumb thumbs. It just stops the water from leaking everywhere. So there we go, old radiator's out the way, brand spanking new one is ready to go in. So the first thing I do is I use the existing hole to see through, and there's a lovely hole in the C-stud to funnel through the new pipework. The brackets are level and the radiator is pretty much sitting on the wall now. I just need to do the measurements of where the new pipework is going to fit and funnel through the new pipework. There we go. I've fished it all the way through the other side now, and that's ready to be fitted in. As you can tell, the pipework is 10mm on the other side. So what we're going to do is we're going to use some HEP 2O. Push that on and don't forget your inserts. I've already pre-installed the copper pipe because there's no way for me to support the back whilst pushing it in. So there we go. That bit's done, and there's the copper tail sticking out that will go into the radiator valve. Now I just need to do the other side, which is a reducer. So we're reducing that from 15mm to 10mm. So we cut that down, put the inserts in, and then another 10 to 15mm reducer there. And this one is for the return side. Now this one I do have space to actually hold it in, so I didn't actually have to put the copper tails through because I can actually hold that in place, as you can tell here. So there we go, I support it at the back, then I push the pipe in. So I can hang the radiator now. The brackets are in place, the pipework's in place. I just need to cut the tails to the right size. And the radiator valves fit right on. Paste it all up. But it looks kind of bad, doesn't it, at the moment? Because it's like copper, chrome, black radiator. It looks messy. So there we go, some white pipe covers, and it all covers up the hole as well. So that looks much better, I think. And then link in the description for this. It fits most inhibitor bottles. So you take off the bleed key, the bleed valve, you put that little hose in, and then you chuck some inhibitor in there. It's really simple. It's cheaper than buying those cans that do this, so quite easy there. And then that's it. Fill up, bleed, and you're done. I think it looks pretty good. Obviously not a lot of damage to, you know, the plasterboard or anything, because we've managed to funnel everything through and fish it through.